Let's explore this brand new property near Quezon City Circle and EDSA. Hi, I'm Jake Bautista and welcome to our newest Metroguide Realty house tour. Today we are exploring this brand new 4-bedroom townhome development for sale located here in Quezon City near Quezon City Circle and EDSA. This property has such a central and strategic location and is near major commercial areas. In addition, this is a brand new development with 4 available units. In terms of the size, each of the 4 units has a total floor area of approximately 284 square meters with a 100 square meter lot. So as of now, you have the option of purchasing not just 1, but 2, 3, or the entire development. So let's go. The first thing that you see here is that modern facade, and it's so well lit that you can further appreciate the look even in the early evening. Here we go, let's explore one of the middle units. You have your carport area for 2 vehicles. You have a wooden ceiling design on one side just to have that feeling of warmth. And you have this picture window where you can already see the main amenity spaces. And let's head on over towards your main entry. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Here we are at your living space. Now, for this particular model unit, it's furnished. But for this development, the furniture is not included. But of course, in terms of the offers you can make for the property, that can all be discussed. Okay? So having the furniture here gives you a great idea on how the property can look. And it's a great visualization as well. So here you have cove lighting and a clear separation between the living area and then the dining and kitchen space. You have your staircase here. And of course, your open concept dining and modern kitchen space. Your dining area can sit about 6 people. And then you have such a modern and clean aesthetic with the white cabinetry here, contrasted with the wooden design. You also have this unique curved design for your island countertop, and it even has storage for wine bottles. You have a range hood and cooktop already installed here. And I also want to point out the quality PVC windows, which are quite sturdy, used for this property. And then on this side, you have an auxiliary space. So in terms of the plumbing, this can be potentially a laundry area. And you can also potentially convert this into an additional space where you can cook, because there's another space at the top floor where you can use that space as a laundry area. So we'll show that later. And of course, you have an additional bathroom here. And this bathroom can potentially be a staff bathroom. And it can also be a powder room as well, since this is the only bathroom in the ground level. So the 100 square meter lot is so well maximized. And now let's head on up towards the second level. Let's go. Welcome to the second floor, and I just want to point out the ease of going up and down the stairs with the landings. And you also have a design for the flooring with natural wood, which matches the staircase. It's very easy on the eyes. And I also want to point out the ceiling height. Now, we're gonna start off with your primary bedroom. You have cove lighting, a picture window here. You can potentially have some cushions here. And here's another nice design aspect, having these built-in bedside lamps. And on the other side of the room, you have showcase cabinetry. And let me show you your walk-in closet space. And bathroom area. Now, this property has 4 rooms plus 2 additional multi-purpose rooms. So we showed you the first room. We're gonna take you now to the second room. So this second room has also been furnished. And I like the cove lighting design here. It almost feels like there's a window and you have daylight coming into the room even in the evening. And you have an ensuite bathroom with a clean and polished look. In addition, the bedrooms also have air conditioning units already. Now, we've taken a look at the 2 bedrooms. We're gonna take a look now at the multi-purpose room right here. Now, in terms of the size, this can be a storage room, a linen closet room, or since it has a window here, which provides ventilation, this can also be potentially a home office Zoom room. But it's in terms of the size, it's up to you what you're comfortable with. And now let's head on up towards the third level. Let's go. Here we are at the third level, where you have striking modern lighting, but at the same time, it's not too extravagant and fits with the feel of the property. Let's take a look here at the third bedroom. Now, this one is unfurnished, but in terms of the size, you can have a semi-double bed here with space left over on both sides and built-in storage as well. And then you have your split type air conditioning unit, Panasonic branded, and an ensuite bathroom. Okay. And now, we're going to take a look at this bathroom, which is meant to be a shared bathroom between the second multi-purpose room and then the fourth room. So this property has a total of 6 rooms. 4 rooms, which can be bedrooms, and then 2 multi-purpose rooms. So this bathroom is to be shared by these 2 rooms. So let's take a look here at the second multi-purpose room. Now, this is significantly larger than the one downstairs, and it even has storage as well, and a large window here for ventilation, and even a provision if you'd like to have an air conditioning unit. So this particular room can be a staff room since you don't have a staff room at the ground level. So it's up to you how you want to maximize this room. It would also make for a great home office as well. And then here we have your fourth room. Now, this has been set up as an entertainment room as of now. But this can also be a bedroom as well in terms of the size. And then you have the air conditioning unit once again, media cabinetry. And then what sets this room apart is that you have a spacious balcony area. Let's take a look. Now, if you want to use this particular room as an entertainment room, this is a great complement since you have an outdoor area where you can just lounge. But another idea is this can be a utility area and you can use this as a laundry area. So that's up to you how you want to maximize the space. But let me tell you, you have a great view of the surrounding community here, and you can truly appreciate how close this property is to Quezon City Circle once you visit it in person. As I mentioned before, there are 4 available units in this development as of the making of this video. So you have the option right now of getting 2 or 3 units. That would give you 2 to 6 car parking spaces and 12 rooms. Or you can get the whole development and you would have 100 to 400 square meters in terms of lot area in such a central space near Quezon City Circle. So if you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, you can contact us to our details in the description below. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.